It is the biggest of its kind, and early this morning it arrived at Pratt Whitney in Middletown. I'm talking about a giant welding machine. News 8's Ken Pierce was there when the monster truck hauling it finished its journey.
Under that gray tarp is the largest machine of its kind ever made. Just getting it to the Middletown Pratt & Whitney plant took one of the biggest trucks you'll ever see.
What I know about the truck is it's a 19-axle, 200-foot-long monster.
The monster left Indiana 3 weeks ago. That's where Manufacturing Technologies built what's under that tarp, the world's largest linear friction welder.
And it's like taking two pieces of metal, rubbing them together and pushing them together until they bond.
This linear friction welder is so big that it had to take a very non-linear route to get from Indiana to Connecticut. For one thing, it's so tall it couldn't go under a lot of bridges, and it weighs so much it couldn't go over some other bridges.
It took an exit, it went 30 miles north, crossed a bridge, came back down one exit further on the highway and got back on. So just to show you the types of detours they had to take in order to meet and use bridges that could support the load.
The welder will make the fan blades you see at the front of jet engines. And it's part of a $400 million expansion of Pratt & Whitney in Connecticut designed to keep up with current and future contracts.
And this is a key element of that growth. It's going to double our capacity and allow us to make the product that we need for our customers.
And make it in Connecticut. Good news for the local Chamber of Commerce.
It's going to be, in the long run, more jobs, but more importantly is their major commitment to the state of Connecticut and Middletown.
They're committed now because they sure don't want to move this thing again. In Middletown, I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.